SEIBOLD Wasser is the leading company in instruments for online and process measurements of heavy metals in water. These instruments, or analyzers, measure samples unattended and continuously. We are based in Europe, located in Vienna, Austria. We manufacture, market, and sell analyzers, non-toxic consumables, and services worldwide. Our vision is to support sustainable environment by delivering accurate data on toxic and dangerous emissions in water. When we talk about heavy metals in water, we think about the toxicity of heavy metals and environmental care. Many papers and documents have been published by the WHO, the EPA, and the European Environment Agency about the effects of heavy metals on our lives and the environment. According to the World Health Organization, there are 13 heavy metals of significance: arsenic, cadmium, cobalt, and others. Of course, it's a matter of the dose, and so measurement of concentration is very important. There are three main motives to measure presence of heavy metals in water. Environmental protection. When using heavy metals and other toxic compounds in their production processes, companies have to monitor and report their emissions to the local governments. Product quality tests. For example, in drinking water, mineral water, and beverages industries, the quality of their products can be measured directly by online analyzers. Stable industrial processes will result in lower costs and higher quality. The measurement of heavy metals in production processes can lead to the information needed for stabilization. Measurement data can be used to create information that can be used to make analysis to further improve the process quality. While in laboratory, skilled technicians perform the sampling, sample preparation and measurement. The online analyzers work autonomous, unattended, and continuously. The main advantage of continuous online measurements is that over time, the results will display a chain of measurements that can be used to recognize trends, process dependencies, and process stability. This is not possible with the laboratory measurements. To compare online measurements and measurement technologies, we define three critical criteria. First and most important in this list is zero unplanned downtime. Zero unplanned downtime means that the analyzer has to deliver concentration results continuously, unattended, with no disruption. Missing concentration readings may lead to control failures and data inconsistencies. Second, low costs per measurement. SEIBOLD Wasser defined a model to include all costs relevant to a measurement as costs for instrumentation, supplies, operation, maintenance, risk of operation, and downtime. And third, the measurement quality. The analyzer measurement results will be used for critical decisions, and therefore the measurement quality must meet the importance of its task. When you've decided about using online measurement, the most important next step is to determine the measurement technology that suits your needs. Every technology has its own purpose, advantages, and complexities, and the technology always guides the decision. The WHO guidelines, ranking of complexity of analytical methods, supports the concept of simpler technology that will bring more reliable operation, less maintenance, less unplanned downtime, and accurate results. The colorimetric analytical method is seen as the simplest measurement technology. Therefore, the colorimetric technology is ideal for unattended, continuous online measurements in analyzers. The colorimetric technology uses reagents, a buffer, and a dye to create a colored, complex read by a photometer. The color intensity is directly proportional to the concentration of heavy metal measured. Colorimetric technology also means low detection limits in the ppb range, high precision and flexibility by adjusting the measurement procedure to specific measurement tasks and sample conditions. The measurement instrument, the analyzer, is the representation of the measurement technology embedded. To get the best results from colorimetric technology, SEIBOLD Wasser has developed a simple and robust flow-through online analyzer for unattended continuous measurements. Flow-through means that every liquid is guided by separate, dedicated pump, and all the system is always filled. The photometer reads absorbance values throughout the measurement cycle. The indisputable advantage of photometer and flow-through concept is that at all times information about the liquid conveyed is available. Therefore, bubbles can be detected, and hint to a liquid shortage and complexation process is monitored continuously. SEIBOLD Wasser offers a wide range of heavy metal analyzers for different measurement ranges, from low ppb to high ppm. Typically, the analyzers are for 1 perimeter each, with some exceptions for specific industries and applications. SEIBOLD Wasser produces the most accurate copper analyzer for very low ppb ranges, for boiler water and semiconductor industries. We developed a new colorimetric procedure to measure arsenic. Our procedure measure directly avoids the conversion to arsen, the highly toxic arsenic gas. Our chromium analyzer is very robust and measures chromium-6 and total chromium separately from ppb to high ppm range. Measurements in seawater always is challenging, even more when salinity levels change in river deltas caused by low and high tides. We develop procedures to compensate this influence. Titration is the addition of one solution of a known concentration, called a titrant, to a known volume of another solution of unknown concentration until a specific reaction is detected, often indicated by a color change. Our titration analyzer follows the basic design concepts of flow-through and simple and robust analyzers. The color change is followed continuously. The titrant and the sample are pumped at a specific volume ratio at all times, and so titration can be processed in both directions. The step size of added titrant defines the resolution. In SEIBOLD titration analyzers, the titrant step size can be changed while running the measurement, and by that the resolution and the accuracy is increased. At the same time, the measurement cycle time is reduced. The reagents developed and produced by SEIBOLD Wasser are non-dangerous and non-toxic to avoid risks and lower the costs of operation. The stability and the shelf life of reagents are important to ensure smooth operations. The difference between SEIBOLD Wasser and its competitors is that our reagents can be adapted to specific sample matrices and application needs. The reagent set contains a buffer solution and a dye solution. The buffer solution sets the pH and eliminates interfering ions by masking. The dye solution builds the color complex with the heavy metal, which is measured by the photometer. The analyzer software connects and controls electronics and mechanics as pumps, reads the photometer, and calculates the concentrations. There are many software functions to ensure high quality of measurements and make use of an ideal analyzer design. There are 3 software functions to demonstrate: 6-point calibration, standard addition, and commissioning function. The result of the calibration is a pair of extinction value referenced to a specific concentration. The 6-point calibration measures 6 different concentrations of a given standard. The resulting 6 extinctions define 5 calibration curves between these points. The resolution and the coefficient of determination are the key values to state the quality of calibration. A complex sample matrix and chemical sample composition may interfere with the measurement. 2 methods can adjust measurements to this situation. Adapt the reagents, the buffer solution, to block and mask interferences, and the standard addition method. The standard addition is the proven measurement method in complex sample matrices and allows correct concentration calculation. The commissioning function tells about the precision and the accuracy of the analyzer. Different concentrations are measured 3 times each. The function is based on the test measurement function. The Environment and Water Technologies (EWT) sector in Malaysia and Singapore is a welcome step in the direction towards a sustainable environment and green future. We at SEIBOLD Wasser are pleased to be a part of this virtual exhibition and are looking forward to share our technology and build partnerships in Malaysia and Singapore. Thank you for your attention. Once again, we are SEIBOLD Wasser and are looking forward to work with you.